Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to use your XT exchange app to place a buy position using future derivatives on your XT exchange app. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here is your home page on your XT exchange app, so you just click on futures right here. Once you click on futures, this is what you will be seeing. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. So right here is our Telegram channel. As you can see, this is the signal that has been dropped. Crypto pair LTC USDT. Right here you can see LTC USDT right here. So right now let's go to our XT exchange app to search for our crypto pair. Right here on your XT exchange app, if you want to search for any crypto pair, you tap right here. So right now you type here the LTC. As you can see, this is our LTC USDT. So you just go ahead and click on it. So once you click on it, this is how it's going to look like. Right now let's go to our Telegram channel to set our leverage and also our entry price. On our Telegram channel right here, you can see the leverage right here, 1 to 3x leverage, which is the recommended leverage for new beginners traders. And as you can see, our entry price right here, which is 83.77. so right now let's go back to our XT exchange app to set our leverage and also our entry price. So right here on our XT exchange app, if you want to set our leverage, you can see right here where it's showing this cross. You click on it, you change it to isolated, because isolated is the recommended margin for new beginners traders. You don't want to be risking more than you're comfortable with. So right now, after confirming, then you can click on this confirm icon right here. You click on confirm. So right now where you're seeing 10x right here, you're going to click on it. Now you're going to change it. You use this to drag it all the way to 3x. So right now let's keep it at 3x leverage. So you can see right there, after changing it to 3x leverage, you can click on confirm right here. Now you can see our leverage and our margin has been set. So right now let's put in our price. Right here you can see it's on market order. You click on this icon right here, you click on it to change it to limit order. You change it to limit order right here. So right now let's put in our price. You can see 83.77. so right here is where you select the quantity of LTC token you want to get. Do you want to get about 5 pieces or 0.5? and you can also be seeing the cost right here. You can be seeing the cost. So right now, after selecting the amount of LTC token you want to buy, it's time for us to set our take profit. Remember, always set your take profit as a new beginner trader, because that is your defensive zone. So right here is where you click to set your take profit. You click on it. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel to set our take profit and stop loss. So right here on our Telegram channel, you can see our take profit right here, which is 87.07. so right now let's go to our XT exchange app to set our take profits. Alright, so on our XT exchange app, we are going to just type in our take profit right here. You just type in 87.07. so right now let's go back to our Telegram channel to set our stop loss. On our Telegram channel right here, you can see our stop loss right here, which is, you can see the stop loss right here, which is 81.58, right? So right now we are just going to go back to our XT exchange app to set our stop loss. So on our XT exchange app, you type in your stop loss right here, which is 81.58. so after confirming everything and you're okay with everything, you can now click on this buy icon right here. Once you click on this buy icon, you click on it. Right now there is no available balance on my account, that's why it's showing insufficient margin. But once you're okay, everything you've set it, you just click on this buy icon and your positions will be right here. Your open orders will be right here. Once market reach this order price you placed on this trade, then it will trigger and it will be on positions right here. So this is the simplest way of using future derivatives trade signals on your XT exchange app. Alright, if you're still watching this video up to this time, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification link. If you're watching this video, you don't have an account with XT Exchange app, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. There will also be a link in the description below to our free Telegram channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.